At Arctic Compressor, we've engineered the solution to take pressure off SCBA needs by making access to pressure for 5,500 cylinder fills simple and affordable. Many departments want to make the switch to higher capacity 5,500 PSI cylinders for improved safety and extended airtime in life-critical situations. But hitting that pressure mark can require a major leap in compressor size and an even bigger hit to your budget. Now, those issues are solved with the Arctic Pressure Plus 7K. By adding this compact booster pump system to your setup, your existing compressor can now handle 5,500 PSI fills with ease. No major system overhauls required. And that's not all. The Pressure Plus 7K also boosts response readiness in high-demand scenarios and simplifies cylinder filling for any team, new or experienced. So take the pressure off your department today by contacting your authorized dealer to get the Pressure Plus 7K by Arctic Compressor, the simple choice in breathing air solutions.